For entering recipe cost, click on to master and select recipe. Click add for adding the recipe and its cost. For editing the recipe and its cost, click edit. Enter the item group, select the item name and edit the specifications and click save option. Recipe cost updated successfully. For entering ingredient, click on to master and select ingredient. Click add for adding the ingredient. For editing the ingredient, enter the ingredient's name, enter the item name and edit the specification and click save option. Ingredients updated successfully. For entering production request, click on to indent and select production request. Enter the department, cost center, store. Now enter the outlet, item name and item code. Once you enter the item name, all the ingredients will automatically show up. Enter the quantity, click on to save option. Indent request saved successfully. For entering production request approval, click on to indent and select production request approval. Enter the production request number. Once you enter the production request number, all the details automatically fills up. Enter the applied quantity. Click on to update option. Approval saved successfully. Recipe cost, ingredient, production request and production request approval has been done successfully. Thank you.